Welcome another video dear viewers. Introducing the modern Viking, a perfect blend of enduring strength and contemporary charm. This strikingly handsome and powerfully built individual redefines the concept of a warrior in today's world. With his impressive muscular physique, broad chest and chiseled form, he commands attention like a tempest rolling over Nordic coast. His shirtless look not only showcases his muscles but also reflects the fierce discipline, unwavering determination, and relentless effort that shaped every part of his body. His name is Krispy. This modern Viking represents more than just physicality. He embodies a lifestyle rooted in hard work, focus, and mental toughness. See you in the next video, next topic, dear viewer. Okay, take care of yourself and bye bye.